I'm interested in applying for scholarships, but where do I find scholarships? This is a question that some of you have asked. So, you find scholarships in many places, and in this video, I'm just going to provide a couple of places that you can start when it comes to your search for scholarships. The first place you're likely going to find scholarships or scholarship information are university websites. University websites are going to provide information about scholarships that they are offering, scholarships that are offered by other bodies as well. There are universities that will have a dedicated page on their website that will provide you with a comprehensive list of the scholarships which are available. Why do they provide that information? Well, because universities want people to enroll in their university. They also do understand that it's not everybody who can afford to pay. So therefore, they take it upon themselves to compile this information for you and then have a page or have a section on their website where they provide you with this particular information. So take your time, go through university websites, you'll find a lot of information when it comes to scholarships. The second place where you're going to find information about scholarships will be government websites. Some governments provide scholarships. And for these particular governments, they will have that information readily available on their central government websites, and they are also going to have dedicated websites for their scholarships. For example, we have Fulbright, that is a US government scholarship. We have Chevening, that is a UK government scholarship. You have the CSC scholarship, that is a Chinese government scholarship, and they have developed dedicated websites where you can find information about those scholarships. The third place are social media groups and pages. There are various social media groups and pages where information about scholarships is provided. The good thing about these pages is that even organizations that are providing scholarships, they will make sure that this information reaches these particular groups, because the people that are in these groups are people who have joined with one goal in mind. They would like to get a scholarship. And what's the best place for you to advertise a scholarship than a group where you have people who have joined that particular group with one particular goal, which is to get a scholarship. So join these particular groups if you're not already part of it. You'll find a lot of useful information when it comes to scholarships. The fourth place where you're also going to find information about scholarships are scholarship databases. When you go online, there are various databases for scholarships. Databases are my favorite resource. The reason is, with databases, they have a lot of information about scholarships from different parts of the world, and they have that information available in one central place. And this makes my job easier because I don't have to hop through a number of websites for me to find information that I'm looking for. I can just go to a database and will be able to find information that I'm interested in one particular place. And that works for me. So just a recap, I've mentioned that for you to get information about scholarships, you have to check university websites, check government websites, you have to check out social media pages and groups, you also have to check out scholarship databases. Information about scholarships is going to be available in one, if not all, of these places that I've just mentioned. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.